Hey guys, so today we'll be transforming this to this. So the first thing you'll do is take your measurements. We'll first tear one side. For the next step, we'll need a tape measure and a pen to measure the length, then cut.
I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them.
For the next step, you'll need a cutout, which will be made by a paper and a cloth that fits you well. This cutout will be used as a guide through when cutting the cloth. Arrange it, good size facing outside, then sew it together. Make sure to also sew the other piece together to form one piece. After that, take the two pieces, align them together and make sure the middle of each meets each other. Before sewing the two together, measure the band size and make sure the space you leave in between and accommodate it.
Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them.
When sewing, fold the first piece to the second piece to make it look neat.
'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them.
When sewing, leave a small opening to pass the band. I decided to cut the band I was using into two for my own preferences. When passing the band through the cloth, I'll advise you use a safety pin. Attach it on the end of the band, which will make your work easy and efficient. Meet the ends, sew them together, then close the opening. After you're done, clear the excess threading and pieces.
Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises. 'Cause I